Hi guys, today I'm making super healthy jelly candies and I'll show you what I need for that. I will need, first of all, this papaya blend juice. You can use whatever juice you want or maybe even make it out of fruits. Next, I got my agar. It's plant-based gelatin powder. Then I got the honey, the buckwheat honey like I used in my lemonade video. And the molds. Look below for my lemonade recipe. Shake all the juice and put it into a large pan. Now we need to pour the agar into the cold juice, not the hot juice. And you need to use 2 teaspoons per cup. And over here I have 4 cups, so that means I'll have to use 8 teaspoons of agar. Bring it to a full boil while stirring constantly. Once it boils, turn the heat off to medium and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if you want, add any sweeteners that you want. I'm gonna add honey, buckwheat honey. Add honey. Looks so satisfying when you put it. Now, when it's all mixed well, it's going to be ready to get poured in the molds. I like to use a cup to pour it into the molds. It smells so good. I have a lot of leftovers, so now I have to use a jingle bell mode. Now you have to wait. It's usually like 1 hour. It's been an hour, and I'm gonna check if they're ready. I like my jelly candies hard, but if you prefer them softer, just add less agar. If you want more healthy recipes from me, then like and subscribe.